Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to start a new chapter number 10 cell cycle and cell division. So, children, cell cycle is a very important process in all the living organism. During the division of a cell, DNA replication and cell growth also takes place. All these processes like cell division, DNA replication and cell growth hence have to take place in a coordinated way to ensure the correct division and the formation of progeny cells containing the intact genomes. So children, the sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome which synthesize the other constituents of the cells and eventually divides into two daughter cells is termed as cell cycle. So children, the cell division or we can say the cell growth is a continuous process. DNA synthesis occurs only during one specific stage in the cell cycle and the replicated chromosomes means the DNA are then distributed to the daughter nuclei by a complex series of events during the cell division. So children, after the cell cycle that we are discussing about the cell division also, and these events are themselves under genetic control. So children, the growth and the reproduction of all the organism depend on the division and the enlargement of the cells. The mechanism of the division and multiplication of the cells together constitute the cell reproduction. Children, as we know, the cell cycle means the life period of a cell during which a cell synthesized DNA means the replication of the DNA, the grows and the divides into two daughter cells, and the cell growth is a continuous process. As we know, children, and then the duration of the cell cycle varying in the each organism and each cell type. Duration of a typical eukaryotic cell cycle like human cell is about 24 hours. So children, we know that the yeast is only about 90 minutes. So it is very small time period and the DNA synthesis occurs only at a specific stage. So children, mainly the cell cycle has two phases. The first phase is called the interphase and the second is M phase. M phase means the mitosis phase. So children, the first interphase divided between it is the phase between the two successive mitotic phases and then it includes the cell growth and DNA synthesis process. It lasts more than 95% of the duration of cell cycle. If we are taking the example, if the total duration of the cell cycle is 24 hours, so that 23 hours of the preparation time, it is the interphase, only 1 hour for the mitotic division phase. So children, the interphase has three phases. First is the first gap phase or we can say G1 phase. Second is the DNA synthesis phase. It is called the synthetic phase, S phase, and the third phase is G2 phase. G2 means second gap phase. So hope children this topic is clear. Any query you can write in query box. Today's your homework children to draw a valuable diagram of cell cycle and then read the chapter carefully. Thank you children.